Welcome to Montenegro Hostel Travel Agency, also known as MH Travel. Conditions. How big is the group on the tour? MH Travel is specialized for small groups, not bigger than 20 guests. If some bigger group wants to take the tour, we organize that on demand. Small groups are very flexible and atmosphere on the tour is better. Mostly the groups are from 7 to 15 guests. What is the minimum group? MH Travel works with individual guests, which means that a minimum number of the guests is required. Sometimes the minimum number is 3 guests, sometimes 4 guests and sometimes 6 guests. Minimum number is also displayed on the tour conditions. If the minimum group is not reached, guests can pay additional cost and get the private tour. It happens very often. What is the difference of the private and VIP tour? The private tour is when customers want to take the tour on their own, following the itinerary of a certain tour. VIP tour is when the customers want to take the same tour, but they have special conditions on the tour. They will be able to have lunch in some special restaurants. Or they can visit and see something which is not according to the itinerary. They will get the car, the guide, and they can tailor the itinerary as they want. VIP tour are always running by the most experienced tour guides in our company. Are breakfast and lunch included in the itineraries? Breakfast and lunch are optional but included in itinerary. More and more customers have a special diet, they are vegetarians or vegans, and sometimes it's hard to organize breakfast and lunch on the tour, because most of the restaurants in Montenegro have meat menus. We always give guests several options to eat in some restaurants, or guests can bring their own food on the tour. For example, sometimes guests are happy to have lunch in traditional restaurant, and sometimes guests just take a snack from the local bakery. In which language are the tours? All the tours are in English. Visit us at www.montenegrohostel.com.